Hello guys, welcome back to Orias Auto. Now I'm arrived at the independent monuments as I normally do during the weekends. And the goal here is to find the supercar and the ultra wild luxury SUV, the wild luxury sedan, wild luxury pickup car, and the wild luxury MVP or wild luxury van and a small side car. So wish me the best of luck guys. Hope for the best that we're going to see a lot of exotic supercar today. So let's have some hope, let's have some faith. Let's go! Peace! Wow, another ultra wild luxury SUV guys. This is the Range Rover 2026 model guys. Wow. Look at that beauty guys. So beautiful and ultra luxury British SUV with a high quality interior. Another great ultra luxury SUV guys. The Denza N9. Wow. And over there another one. Wow guys, an ultra luxury SUV. Wow, Nissan Armada. Beautiful. Wow guys. Over there on the other side, another wild luxury SUV. Best for on-road and off-road, which is the Mercedes-AMG G63 guys. Wow, look at that beauty guys. So beautiful guys. Nice. Wow guys, over there is another wild luxury SUV. Porsche Cayenne, yes, hybrid. Wow, beautiful guys. Wow guys, another great wild luxury SUV. Another color, gorgeous black color. Range Rover 2026 model guys. Look at that beauty guys. Amazing. Wow, another two great ultra luxury SUV. The Range Rover Autobiography Edition and followed by the Defender one. No, not Defender, followed by the AMG G63 guys. Wow. Amazing guys. Wow, another great wild luxury SUV guys. The Italian Cruiser. Wow, followed by not one but two wild luxury Lexus LX 600 Turbo Sport guys. Amazing. And followed by the Ford Everest Titanium Editions. Wow, another great, I can say that is an SUV. Siamese Suzuki Max. It looks like a Ferrari Pure Zangway guys. Wow. Gorgeous ultra luxury SUV, Mercedes-AMG G63, followed by a gorgeous Ford Mustang guys. Amazing. Another great luxury SUV guys. This is the Sangyong Torre. Beautiful. Or Taurus. Another great SUV, Land Cruiser GR. Wow, another great SUV. Lexus L600 followed by the Suburban, not one but two Chevrolet Suburban guys, ultra luxury sedan from United States or America. Another great luxury SUV LX600. Wow, a lot of great ultra luxury SUV guys. Wow guys, over there on the other side is another wild luxury SUV, Defender 110 with a gorgeous off-road wheel and off-road tire guys. Wow, nice. Such a great start. Over there on the other side coming is another beautiful wild luxury SUV. Mazda EZ60. Wow, guys, over there on the other side, another great wild luxury SUV. The beautiful Toyota Fortuner 2026 model. Wow. Such an incredible find, guys. Nice. Wow, guys, over there, beautiful luxury SUV, fully electric Tesla Model Y, guys. Nice. Followed by another SUV. Wow, guys, another great luxury SUV, Toyota Land Cruiser. Wow, another one, the Cadillac Escalade 600, guys. Wait, wow, beautiful, guys. Wow, guys, over there another great ultra luxury SUV, the new Mazda EZ60. Wow, look at that beauty, guys. Nice. Amazing. Wow, another one, guys, the Mazda EZ60. This time it is a gorgeous white color. Wow, look at that beauty. Unbelievably beautiful. Nice. Wow, nice ultra luxury SUV is coming. BMW. Little bit the X6, guy. Nice. Aero M9, guys. Wow, guys, another great ultra electric SUV, Land Cruiser VX4. Wow, another great ultra luxury SUV, guys. What kind of SUV is that? Over there, nice wild luxury SUV, Mitsubishi Pajero. Amazing. Wow, over there, an ultra luxury SUV, Range Rover Discovery, guys. Nice. Wow, another great wild luxury SUV, guys. The Land Cruiser VX4. Beautiful. Wow, guys, another wild luxury SUV, the BMW X7, guys. Wow, look at that beauty, guys. Nice. Another great wild luxury SUV, guys, Mazda EZ60. Really top popular in my country, guys, Cambodia. Wow, another two great wild luxury SUV, Alex 100 with the Land Cruiser VX4, guys. Beautiful. Wow, another great wild luxury SUV, Isuzu D-Mix 4x4, guys. Another great wild luxury SUV, GAC, guys. Beautiful. Wow, over there on the other side is the Cadillac Escalade 600, black on black wheels. Wow, luxury SUV, guys. Wow, another great ultra luxury SUV, guys. The Mercedes G-Class. I believe that one to be the G500. Wow, guys, over there another great ultra wild luxury SUV, Hyundai Santa Fe. Amazing. Wow, another ultra luxury SUV, the Geely Star Ray, guys. Beautiful. Over there another great wild luxury SUV, guys. And oh wow, another great wow luxury SUV, the Defender 110, guys. No, this one is the Defender 130, the long wheelbase of the Defender 110. Another beautiful Range Rover autobiography. Wow, Range Rover ultra luxury SUV. Amazing. Wow, another beautiful SUV. The Hyundai the Sangyong Taurus, sorry, not Hyundai. Look at that beautiful olive green color. Nice. Followed by another luxury SUV, RX 330h. Wow. Another ultra luxury SUV, guys. Bing & Co. Up 9. Beautiful, guys. Wow, another great SUV, Mercedes-AMG 450, guys. Over there, another beautiful ultra luxury SUV, Lexus LX 600H. Another luxury SUV, Ions, 3 editions. Nice. Wow. Over there, an ultra luxury SUV, wild luxury SUV, the Defender 110. Wow, sound amazing. Maybe that is the Octa edition, which is the VH model. This is another great SUV, the Audi Q7. Wow, beautiful ultra luxury SUV, which is purple of the E60, guys. Amazing, such incredible color. Wow, another one. Nice. Wow, another gorgeous color, Defender 110, Panther green color, followed by luxury pickup car. Wow, orange Raptor. Wow, another one, Defender 110, fully loaded with specs. Wow, another ultra luxury SUV, the Lexus RX 330h. Wow, over there an ultra luxury SUV, guys. Cadillac Escalade 600. The presidential car. Nice, such incredible sport. Wow, guys. Another beautiful wild luxury SUV. The Defender 110, gorgeous black colors. Nice. Black wheel with the right caliper, guys. Amazing. The 2 wild luxury pickup, luxury SUV. Amazing. Wow, over there another beautiful wild luxury SUV, the Ford Everest Titanium Edition bi-turbo. Wow. Wow, another beautiful luxury SUV, Nissan's. Beautiful ultra luxury SUV, guys. Secure. Wow. Over there, an ultra luxury. Wow, guys, over there, another beautiful wow luxury SUV, the Toyota Land Cruiser VX4. Wow, guys, over there, another side coming. It's the Mercedes-AMG G63. A wow luxury SUV, best on road and great for off-road, guys. Got a beauty, guys. Nikon X circular LED design. V8 bi-turbo. Another great ultra luxury SUV, Defender 130. Nice. Wow, beautiful ultra luxury SUV with Land Cruiser Select, guys. 2026 model. Amazing. Wow, beautiful luxury SUV. The new Range Rover Discovery, followed by the LX600, and followed by the Hyundai Palisade. All are ultra luxury SUV. Another great Mercedes GLC, guys. Bit of Brabus wheel. Nice ultra luxury SUV. Beautiful luxury SUV, guys. SsangYong Rexton. Wow, followed by the gorgeous red Mazda Z63, guys. Both are the ultra luxury SUV. Nice. Wow, guys, on the other side coming is, last but not least, the Lexus LX600 Interior H, Lexus Ultra Luxury SUV or Wild Luxury SUV. It's beautiful, guys. Turbo Sport editions. Yeah, guys, more Ultra Luxury is coming. Cadillac S600, followed by the BMW X5, guys.